On February 28, 1984, Ferrari unveiled the now legendary 288 GTO at the Geneva Motor Show. At first glance, the 288 GTO resembled the 308 GTB, yet this limited production flagship possessed speed and technology that were on the bleeding edge of automotive engineering. With lightweight bodywork constructed from glass fiber, carbon fiber, and Kevlar, a 400 brake horsepower twin-turbocharged V8, muscular wings, and an integrated spoiler, the 288 GTO was the fastest Ferrari road car ever built, and it began a storied lineage of models that continued with the F40, F50, Enzo, and, most recently, the LaFerrari. Fast forward to 2024, and Ferrari is marking the 288's 40th birthday with the GTO Legacy Tour. Note that Ferrari refer to the model simply as GTO, which takes place in the beautiful Italian Dolomites from October 1st to October 5th, 2024. The Legacy Tour is an exclusive classic car rally tailored specifically for 288 GTO owners, and it follows the F40-themed event held in 2023. The 2024 GTO Legacy Tour will see 288 GTO owners assemble in the verdant valley of Val Rendina, overlooked by the majestic Dolomites. From here, the crews will navigate towards their car's birthplace in Maranello, where they will be welcomed to the finish line by Ferrari Classic experts and several original members of the GTO development team. The tour will then conclude with a parade at Ferrari's private Fiorano test track. Quizzed further on the Ferrari personnel greeting tour participants, the appropriately named Classic head Andrea Medina revealed a surprising guest. "I'm not sure we can say that he is working for Ferrari, but his name is the same as the company's, and he will enjoy the idea of doing this GTO Legacy Tour, our Vice President Piero Ferrari. He was there when the company was producing the GTO. So yes, Piero Ferrari will be a part of the tour. The cars on the tour will need to be Ferrari Classic certificated. For Ferrari Classic, among its activities, one of the most important is to certify the authenticity of the car. So the prerequisite is to make a check on the car in terms of authenticity, to have all the cars in Ferrari history that have been produced in Maranello to have the opportunity to come back to Maranello. We will have our people, the people that are regularly working in the Classic workshop, assisting the convoy in order in case of any need to be immediately available to give assistance. Last year with the F40 Tour we had only one major topics with a car that had an issue with the wastegate, so we don't expect to have any specific trouble. It's expected that up to 40 examples of the model will join the tour, with entry price just under €30,000 per car. Any 288 GTO owners who wish to participate in the Legacy Tour are advised to contact their Ferrari dealer by the end of April. The dealers will be able to advise and assist on transporting cars to and from the tour as well if required. Thank you for the attention and have a nice day.